In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on the Pixel 8a. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to capture and manage screenshots effectively on your device. Start by navigating to the screen that you want to capture on your Pixel 8a. Ensure that all the content you wish to include in the screenshot is clearly visible. It is important to avoid scrolling or moving the screen immediately before taking the screenshot. Holding your device steady enhances accuracy. Prepare your fingers for the upcoming button combination, as this will ensure you can capture a clean screenshot without any issues. Next, press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. It is crucial to hold both buttons briefly and then release them quickly. You will notice the screen flash, which indicates that a screenshot has been successfully taken. Additionally, you may hear a capture sound confirming the action. Ensure that both buttons are pressed correctly and together, as timing plays a significant role in the success of this operation. Once the screenshot is captured, a preview will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can tap this preview to access editing options such as cropping or sharing the screenshot directly from that interface. This feature allows for immediate adjustments if needed. The screenshot is also saved automatically in your gallery, allowing you to access it later at your convenience. You can find your captured screenshot in the gallery app on your Pixel 8a. Open the gallery and navigate to the screenshots folder to view your saved images. If you need to edit the screenshot further, you can use the built-in editing tools available within your gallery app. This ensures that your screenshot is ready for sharing or saving in your preferred format. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.